Come on. Come on. Come on. You want to go in your cage? Come on. Lexi, come on. Go. You don't want to go in your cage? Come on. Come on, let's go to your cage. No? Don't want to go to your cage? Okay. Come on, let's go ahead. Nope, come on, let's go to your cage. Come on. Go. Come on, go to your cage. Come on. You don't want to go to your cage? You want to stay out and play? You want to play? Yeah, you want to play? Come on. Come on, Lexi. Let's go. Come on. Oh, no, you don't want to go to your cage? Come on. Let's go to your cage. Hey. Come on. Go. Lexi. Come on, Lexi. Come on. Let's go. Go to your cage. Come on. Come on. Lexi, come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Let's go to your cage. Come on. No? You don't want to? Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go to your cage. Lexi, I gotta go back to work. Come on, Lexi. Let's go. Come on. Come on, get in your cage. Come on. It's right there. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on, let's get in. Come on. No? You don't want to go to your cage? Come on, Lexi. Come on. Let's go. I'll push you in there. Okay, ready? Here we go. No? Come on. Lexi, come on. Let's go to the cage. Oh, you want to play? No, come on. Come on, let's go. Go. Here, I'll take the toy. Come on. Come here. There, go get it. No. Now I got you cornered. Come on, go. Go to your cage. Go. Go. Come on. Go, Lexi. Go to your cage. Come on. Go. Yeah, I tricked you, didn't I? There you go. Good dog. We'll see you later. I'm sorry. Goodbye, Lexi. I'll be home from work in a few hours.